Welcome to this session on SAP Fiori Spaces and Pages in SAP S/4HANA. In this topic, we will explore the modern approach to organizing applications in the SAP Fiori Launchpad using Spaces and Pages. We'll begin by understanding what Spaces and Pages are, why SAP introduced them, and how they improve the user experience through role-based navigation and a cleaner Launchpad layout. Then, we'll walk through the complete step-by-step process of creating spaces, pages, and sections, assigning apps, linking them to business roles, and testing the configuration in the Fiori Launchpad. By the end of this session, you will have a clear understanding of how to configure and manage SAP Fiori Spaces and Pages in SAP S/4HANA. What are SAP Fiori Spaces and Pages? SAP Fiori Spaces and Pages provide a modern way to organize applications in the SAP Fiori Launchpad. Instead of displaying all applications on a single home page, apps are grouped into spaces, which contain one or more pages. Each page is further divided into sections, where application tiles are displayed. This structure offers a cleaner, role-based, and user-friendly Launchpad experience, making it easier for business users to access the applications they need. Spaces and Pages are the recommended Launchpad layout for SAP S/4HANA and are assigned through business roles. That's the structural hierarchy at a glance. A business role assigns a space, each space holds one or more pages, and each page is broken into sections that contain the actual app tiles. A few things worth calling out about how this works in S/4HANA. Spaces are the top-level grouping. Think of them as role-based work areas, e.g., finance, sales. Users can be assigned multiple spaces depending on their roles. Pages live inside a space and represent a focused view, e.g., a specific process or team area. One page can even be reused across multiple spaces. Sections are the subgroupings within a page that hold the tiles. They let you cluster related apps, KPIs, reports, quick links, instead of dumping everything into one flat list. All of this is configured in the Fiori Launchpad Designer, or the Manage Spaces, Manage Pages, Apps, and delivered to users through PFCG business roles, which is what makes the Launchpad role-based rather than one-size-fits-all. Step 1. Open the Fiori Launchpad. Log in to SAP S/4HANA and launch it. Step 2. Go to Manage Launchpad Spaces and click Create. Step 3. Create your space. Enter a space ID, like Z_finance_SP, a title, and a description. Optionally check, also create a page, if you want one right away. Click Create. Remember, custom space IDs start with Z or Y for partner solutions. Step 4. Create a page. If it wasn't created automatically, open Manage Launchpad Pages, click Create, and enter a page ID, title, and description. Click Create. Step 5. Add sections. Inside the page, click Edit and add one or more sections. Give them clear names like Master Data, Sales, Procurement, or Reports. Sections keep your app tiles organized logically. Step 6. Add applications. Inside each section, click Add Apps, select what you need from the business catalogs, and add those tiles to the section. Drag and drop to arrange them, then save the page. Step 7. Assign the page to your space. Go back to Manage Launchpad Spaces, open your space, assign the page you just created, and save. Step 8. Set page visibility. If your page shows as hidden, select it and click Set Visible. Only visible pages actually show up in the Launchpad. Step 9. Assign the space to a business role. Go to Maintain Business Roles, or PFCG if you're on-premise. Open the role, navigate to Launchpad Spaces, add your new space, and save. That's what makes it available to anyone assigned that role. Step 10. Test the Launchpad. Assign the business role to a user and log in as them. You should now see the full setup live, the space, its pages, the sections, and all the application tiles inside them. First, they bring a modern, intuitive Launchpad design. Instead of one long list of tiles, users get a clean, organized workspace that feels natural to navigate. Second, navigation becomes role-based. Each user only sees the spaces and apps relevant to their job, A finance user sees finance apps. A sales user sees sales apps, without digging through everything else. Third, applications are better organized. Sections group related tiles logically, so instead of scrolling endlessly, users find what they need in seconds. Fourth, this structure improves user productivity. Less time searching for apps means more time getting actual work done. Fifth, administration and maintenance become easier. Admins can update one page or section without disrupting the entire Launchpad, making changes faster and safer to roll out. Sixth, a single space can support multiple pages. This means you can group related processes together without creating a new space every time. And finally, this is the recommended layout for SAP S/4HANA environments, meaning it's the direction SAP itself is pushing customers toward for long-term support and usability. Together, these benefits make Spaces and Pages the smarter, more scalable way to organize the Fiori Launchpad. With SAP Fiori Spaces and Pages, organizations can transform the way users interact with SAP applications. By creating structured spaces, designing meaningful pages, adding relevant application tiles, and assigning them to the right business roles, businesses can deliver a personalized and role-based experience for every user. This approach simplifies navigation, improves productivity, enhances user experience, and follows SAP's recommended best practices for SAP S/4HANA. SAP Fiori is not just about accessing applications, it is about creating a smarter, faster, and more efficient digital workplace. Start building your future-ready SAP experience with structured, simple, and intelligent solutions.
Don't just learn, master real-world skills with Anupov trainings. Hit subscribe now and start your transformation.